Welcome back with a new math tutorial. This video we are talking about right two-step equation. How can we convert from the sentence to an equation? So in question number 1 we have 8 less than 3 times a number is negative 23. Just we will find the keywords. The first keyword that we have which is less than. Once you find less than it means we have minus. But we have a condition for less than. Once you find less than or more than, change the order. The number which written before the less than will be after the minus sign, which is 8. 3 times the number did, this number is x, and 3 times the number x, which is 3x. So we just write 3x before the minus sign. So we have here 3x. The meaning of is, which is equal. So that will be equals to negative 23. So once we have here 8 less than it's mean minus, and we change the order. 8 will be after the minus sign. 3 times a number which is 3x will be before the minus sign. Is which mean equals. So we have here the equation is equals to negative 23. 13 is. That we have 13. As we said before, is it's mean equals. 7 more than. Once you find more than, it's mean we have plus. As we for over less than, we have the same for more than. More than, it's mean we change the order. The expression which before more than will be after the plus sign, which is 7. 1/5 of a number which mean 1 over 5 of a number which is x. We just write 1 over 5x. So 13 is equal to 1 over 5x plus 7. In question number 13 we have 15 equals. Just write 15 is equals 3 more than. Once you find more than, it's mean we have plus. 3. The expression before more than will be after the plus sign. After more than will be before the plus sign. 6 times a number. 6 times a number which is 6x. Just write here 6x. So the equation that we have which is 15 equals 6x plus 3. Now in question number 4. 10 increased by. The word increased by it means plus. But increased by or decreased by we keep the same order. Only we change when we have more than or less than. So just write 10. Increased by it means plus. The quotient. The meaning of the word quotient it means we divide. We can write the divide as a fraction, but with keeping the same order. A number in 6. This number is x and the second number which is 6. The meaning of the word is which is equal. Equals to 5. So the equation now would be equals 10 plus x over 6 equals to 5. The difference between. The meaning of the word difference it means minus. Now we have the difference between 12 and the 2 over 3 of a number. Keep the same order. So we have here 12. 2 over 3 of a number which means 2 over 3x. As we said before, is which is equal. Equals to 18. Now in question number 6. We have 1 more than 3 times the number is 7. 1 more than it means plus. So just write plus and it changes the order. So we have 1 will be after the plus sign. 3 times a number which is 3x. 7 it means equals to 7. So the equation that we have now will be equals 3x plus 1 equals to 7. In this part we'll solve the problem solving. You buy 3 books. Each one of them costs the same amount. And you don't know the value of the amount, the amount now equals to x. And a magazine. All of that, the total price which is equal to $55.99. You know that the price of the magazine is $1.99. So the item that you purchase, we have 3 books, each one is cost x because I don't know the price. Plus, we have a magazine, the price of the magazine is $1.99. And we pay for all of that $55.99. Now we need to find the price of each book. It means we need to find the value of x. So to solve the equation at the first we need to find if there is plus or minus. We have here plus 1.99. So by subtracting 1.99. So now we have 3x is equals to 55.99 minus 1.99. The answer will be equals to 54. Now we have 3x. Once you find a number multiplied by the variable, then we divide by this number. So I just divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals to 1, so just write x. 54 divided by 3 equals to 18. It means the price of each book equals to $18. In this problem we have the personal trainer by the weight bench for $500 and the W weight for $24.99. If the total cost of the purchase is $849.86, how many weights were purchased? At the first we have a fixed amount, which is the price of the bench. The price of the bench is $500. So now we have 500. Plus, we have now W weights. Each one will be equals to 24.99. We have here W weight. Each one is equals to 24.9. It's mean plus 24.99 weight. That will be equal. The total cost is equals to 849.86. Now again one more time, how can we write the equation? At the first we have the price of each weight is equals to 24.99. So the cost depends on the number of weights. Plus we have $500 for the price of the bench, that will be constant. So we have here 500 plus 24.99 W. And the total cost of all of that will be equals 849.86. Now we need to solve. At the first there is plus, so we'll use minus. Just subtract 500. So 24.99 W will be equals to 349.86. Once we have a number multiplied by the variable divided by this number. So we divide it by 24.99. Then now W will be equals. So 349.86 divided by 24.99, the answer will be equals to 14. So we have 14 pieces, the price of each one will be equals to 24.99. And that will be plus $500. So the total cost now will be equals 849.86. And that's how can we write the equation.